This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off airplane mode on your Android phone, and this is really easy to do. All you have to do is swipe on down from the top and go to Settings. Then locate Network and Internet. And then we should have airplane mode right here. So when you're going on an airplane and you're going to be taking off or landing, you want to go ahead and make sure airplane mode is turned on. And your phone shouldn't be messing with the sensors on the airplane then. The other way to find this is to swipe on down from the top. And you might have a widget up here for airplane mode. So mine is right here. I can just turn this on, and then I should be good to go. Otherwise, you could just turn off your phone completely, and then turn it back on later on. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.